What is up, guys? So welcome to the vlog today. It's like around 1 p.m. We've been driving for around 3 hours. We're heading to Khao Kho, and today I'm with
Rachel. Hi everyone.
And we're in the southern province of Wichanbury, which is the southern province of Phetchabun province. It's called Wichanbury, which is known for Wichanbury grilled chicken. So that's what it's famous for. This little province is famous for grilled chicken. It's called the Wichanbury chicken. We're gonna get some chicken in a hot second, get some lunch. We still have another 3 hours. We're gonna be heading to Khao Kho. I'll show you guys the chicken in a second, but we've been having a good little drive. I'm a little tired from the last couple days. I went to Singapore 2 days ago for a quick visa run. So if you come to Thailand and you're coming by land, you only have 15 days till you have to get out as an American. If you come by air, if you fly by air, let's say, you have a full 30 days that you can stay in Thailand. So besides that, Dustin and I did a quick little visa run to Singapore for a quick day 2 days ago, and now I'm back. I have a full 30 days out in Thailand, and this is the first vlog since that day, and I'm super stoked to try this grilled chicken. It should be here any second now. And this is the famous Wichanbury chicken. It's crazy. They named the chicken after a town. This is the chicken. Looks delicious. Oh my goodness. And this is the sticky rice. This is insane. So the chicken is super unique because it's made by Phetchabun regional ingredients like tamarind sauce, which is right over here, and pickled garlic, and it looks absolutely delicious. We're gonna dive right in, and I'll tell you how it is in a second. Oh my god, the food was so good. The tamarind sauce was absolutely delicious. This is a northeastern delicacy out in Thailand, and you can see we're literally in the middle of the road. We just stopped at a random place. The food was absolutely delicious. The chicken was good. Her sticky rice was the bomb, and now we're heading to Khao Kho, which is, again, 6 hours north of Bangkok. It's a little getaway with beautiful mountains, beautiful sceneries. There's temples, there's national parks, and it is just kind of like a relaxing area to get away from the city. So we have about a 2 hour and 10-minute drive, and we should be at Khao Kho. Like the entrance to the resort. Oh wow, it is so beautiful up here. Oh wow, that's so cool. Those are the villas right out there, and this is our resort. Whoop. And after a 6 hour drive, almost 6 hours, we made it to Khao Kho, and we are at Jukka Park, which is a beautiful resort. We're gonna be here for 2 nights. I'm super stoked. It's another getaway to get out of Bangkok, get out of the city. And look at this, you're like in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god, this place is so beautiful. So Jukka Park is one of the newer resorts. I think it was built last year. And yeah, I'm super stoked for this day. Hello. Oh, and we got a little welcome drink too. Kapunka. Yep, Christopher. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, let's go check out our room.
So the pool's open.
Wow, this is so beautiful here. Those are the villas. Unfortunately, they're all booked up, so I couldn't get my paws on them. And it's pretty cool, the villas have like a little trampoline outside. Next time. And this is our room, oh my goodness. All right, so we made it to Jukka Park. We're gonna be here for the next 2 nights. They're hooking us up. We have some breakfast, we have some food here set up for us. I'm super stoked to be here. Check out the room real quick. So right when you walk into the left, you have a beautiful toilet. You have this beautiful vanity. It's like made out of wood, it looks like. This is absolutely gorgeous. Check out this stand-up shower you got. Absolutely beautiful. And then walking right this way, you have the lovely Rachel. You got this beautiful bed right over here. Right behind the bed, you have a TV. And look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this view. That's a view. Looks like it's a little balcony too, so this is super pretty. Wow. Jeez, here's the balcony right over here. Beautiful room. And you got this gorgeous view. Yeah, so we're super excited to be here for the next 2 days. Tomorrow we have a full day of activities planned out by her right over there. Yeah, so she planned out all the activities. I think we're gonna go hiking. We're gonna check out some beautiful windmills, maybe check out a temple. And yeah, I'm super stoked for tomorrow. So we're gonna call it a really relaxing day today. We're just gonna chill. We're probably gonna go to the pool, and we're gonna start the vlog back up tomorrow. All right, good morning guys. We are at Jukka Park right now. It is, I think, around almost 10 a.m. And yeah, we are gonna have some breakfast right now, and then we're gonna start our day. All right, so I didn't think I showed this yesterday, but this is the pool, infinity pool that overlooks the sunset. So the sunset was right over there last night. We saw an incredible sunset from the pool, and it was absolutely beautiful out here. It's time for some breakfast. Good morning, Rachel.
Good morning.
And to me, breakfast is like the most important meal of the day. You haven't eaten for 7, 8, 9, 10 hours for some of you guys. I got some eggs, I got some bacon, I got some toast, potatoes, I got some ham, a little bit of orange juice, and we got that view. All right, another morning adventure time. We are heading to Rapanta Pasangao Temple. I think I said it right. Did I say it right, Rachel?
No.
Okay, she could say it.
Wat Pratha Pasangao.
And we're gonna be heading to a national park which has another temple and some beautiful viewpoints. So the temple is about 15-20 minutes away from here, the first stop, and then we're gonna be heading directly to the national park, which is about an hour-and-a-half drive. And after a quick drive, we made it to the temple, and this is absolutely beautiful up here. We drove up a mountain. The views are phenomenal. You could see the fog rolling in, the clouds rolling in. There's like a mountain chain right behind the temple, and there's shops like right when you come in here. So there's some food stalls, there's souvenir shops, there's a restaurant right over there with a view. And yeah, this temple looks pretty incredible. It's like a Buddha on top of 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 a Buddha. And then there's a temple right over here that's also in construction, but this place is absolutely beautiful. What it costs is a little donation. So when you come here, it doesn't really cost any money specifically, but donate some money. Obviously, I'm assuming it goes towards construction and rebuilding of these temples. And yeah, you could just see a ton of little food stalls right over here. And we are approaching the temple right now, but the views have been incredible since we got here. And I'm lucky to have her as a tour guide, you could say. This place is absolutely incredible. There's such beautiful views here, beautiful viewpoints right behind me. There's also a little donation area right now. So if you're Buddhist, or if you believe in Buddhism, you could donate some money and you can do some prayers, which Rachel is about to do right now. So what are you doing there, Rachel?
So basically this is called Lumimit, and it will be used to, you know, as a foundation to build the new buildings for the Buddhist temple.
Okay.
And so we usually put like a pure gold plate on them, and we believe that by doing that it will give us good blessings for our lives.
This place is absolutely beautiful. You can see construction's being done with that one over there, and they're just building. And she's getting lots and lots of good life here. There's 9 of them? Okay. So this was an absolutely incredible quick visit to the temple. We went to another section of the temple that was absolutely beautiful. It was super colorful. A lot of things were handcrafted, hand painted. You could see all the details in each of the architecture, in each of the pieces of the temple. It was absolutely stunning. You can tell that they spend a lot of time creating this temple, making this temple and building it. And it was an incredible day so far. It's been a quick day. We haven't really done too much, but we're about to head about an hour and 15, hour and a half to a national park out here. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a temple out there too, and there's beautiful viewpoints. You know I love viewpoints, so we're gonna drive an hour and a half. We're gonna head there, and hopefully I can shoot the drone up there. And I'm sweating like a fat pig, so don't forget, on a hot day like this, especially out in Southeast Asia, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Oh my goodness, look at all the clouds. So we're 1,768 meters up in the sky. There are clouds everywhere. We literally drove through the clouds. We couldn't see like motorbikes for a quick minute or two. And yeah, this is absolutely incredible. We are at Putapa, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's one of the viewpoints out here, right by the national park. We're pretty close to the national park, but oh my God, check this out. We're literally in the clouds. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you can't see anything. It's mainly tons and tons of forests, trees. It's absolutely beautiful typically, but we are literally in the clouds. Oh my goodness.
The weather's so good.
Yeah, the weather is, oh, yep. Can't see anything. There's like some steps right up here that we're gonna go up, and I think it's more of a viewpoint into the clouds. Again, you can't see anything. Very makeshifty type stairs, but still pretty good quality. And you can just see people enjoying the viewpoint, which is the clouds. And there's camping up here. And we passed like some tribal villages, like they sold some souvenirs. There was a lot of shops, clothing shops up here, which is pretty surprising, but this is absolutely incredible up here. And the clouds just keep coming, keep rolling in right now. This is insane. 1,768 meters up in the air. This is what you get. How you doing?
Oh, awesome. This is gorgeous.
This is, well, yeah. All you see are clouds. Whoop, 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 whoop. So this is the viewpoint. You can see a little girl in her tribal outfit right over there.
Do you know what it says? It's like the highest mountains in Phetchabun province at 1,768 meters.
Wow.
From
You sound like you're out of breath.
I am. It's quite, because it's so high, it seems like it's take more of an oxygen on here.
Yep. Oh yeah. I'm not just out of shape, I'm out of breath. We got the selfie crew over here. And we got this viewpoint right over here. This is incredible. It's funny, it's the viewpoint of the clouds. And the road to get up here was absolutely insane. She did an amazing job driving. Check this road out. I took this photo from her phone. Yeah, windy, windy, windy AF. My goodness. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this for a hot second, and then we're gonna go check out the national park in a second. All right, so we went up to the gate of Phu Hin Drang La National Park, which is that national park with the sign that you saw earlier. And it's kind of raining right now already, so you can see some raindrops in the window. It is really, really cloudy up here. And yeah, it might not be worth coming. So basically we went to the gate and we turned the car around. So it's about 100 baht per car. And the guy ended up finding out that I'm a foreigner. I shouldn't have spoken English. I shouldn't have spoken English. And he asked if I was a foreigner, and then he said yes. Instead of paying 100 baht, I'd have to pay, as a foreigner, for me, 500 baht, which is like 17, 18 bucks. The fact that it's super cloudy, the fact that it's rainy, I can't really shoot the drone up. I'm definitely not gonna shoot the drone up in this weather. We're not gonna come, we're gonna turn around, and we're gonna find a good spot, hopefully on the way back to the hotel. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive back to the hotel, and there's tons of different viewpoints. So we're gonna drive 1,723 meters below. I'll put the distance right over here, and we're gonna head towards the hotel. And it's been an incredible day though. I'll have another time that I'm gonna come up here to this national park, because I hear it's absolutely beautiful. That's what Rachel's telling. I don't know what happened. I just coughed up a furball. But that's what Rachel's been telling me. Rachel has been saying this is an absolute beautiful national park, and she really wanted to take me, but we'll definitely have a lot of other times to come up here. I have a huge announcement, which I'm gonna announce at the end of the vlog. And yeah, Thailand is gonna be a good place that I'm gonna be staying at for a while, so you guys will hear that soon. So we have an hour-and-a-half drive right now. Hopefully it's not raining that bad, and we'll make it back to the hotel. Hi, puppy. All right, so after an hour and 40-minute drive, hi puppy, we made it to Khao Kho National Park. It was kind of the way of the hotel, but we made a quick stop. Oh, we got a little puppy. Hi puppy, hi puppy. And we made it to Canon G7X. I think that's how you say it, viewpoint in Khao Kho National Park. And this is absolutely beautiful. You could see some of the clouds rolling in. You could see such an amazing 360-degree viewpoint right here. This is absolutely beautiful. And this is my tour guide. She's done a great job today. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful here. And it's not raining that much, or it's not raining at all yet, knock on wood. And like my dad always said, whenever you're at a national park, shoot the drone up. Ah, this view. Wow. It's a great success, successful drone flight. It's always successful when the drone comes back. Woo, what a view. What do you think? What are we doing next?
Well, I'm taking you to another viewpoint.
Another viewpoint.
Well, you like it, don't you?
Okay, yeah, we're gonna check out one more quick viewpoint and yeah, we're gonna head back to the hotel after that, hopefully. All right, we're gonna go send some mail out. No, I'm just kidding. The post office though for Khao Kho is right here. And this is that next viewpoint, last viewpoint. Check it out. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Woo! We're gonna enjoy this viewpoint, go back to the hotel in a little bit and get some food. All right, so we made it back to Jukka Park and it has been an incredible day so far. They set us up with some dinner right now. We're gonna eat some dinner and call it a night, but I'm really super stoked to see what they set up for dinner for us. Hello. Oh my gosh, I love pasta. Cup and cup. Oh my gosh, we got wings.
This is a feast.
That looks beautiful.
Cup and cup.
Cup and cup. Thank you so much. This is amazing. The hospitality here has been phenomenal since day one. Yesterday we arrived, we have 2 nights here. We have this amazing setup right now with no one around, so we're gonna get grubbing and we're gonna call it a night. All right guys, what an incredible night, second night tonight being at Jukka Park. What an incredible time it's been at Khao Kho. I've had an awesome tour guide, Rachel, showing me around beautiful sights, beautiful viewpoints, beautiful temples. If you're looking to get away from Bangkok, definitely check out Khao Kho. It's absolutely beautiful up here. I hope I'm saying the name right. Besides that, it's been an incredible, incredible day. Tomorrow we head back to Bangkok. The big announcement, what I wanted to say from the last vlog to now, I didn't expect this. I didn't expect any of this to happen this quick. I'm partnering with Drone Heroes. So I'm gonna put their link right over here. This is their Instagram handle right over here. Drone Heroes has been one of my favorite drone brands since the start of it. They've been around since 2015 and they're one of the first drone brands out there and they're absolutely amazing, their content, so definitely check it out. Besides that, I have an amazing project for Sea Lao travel for 1 full month. So starting the middle of July, I'm gonna be in Thailand for 1 full month, potentially longer. I'm gonna still be creating vlogs for Sea Lao travel. However, I have an awesome project that I'm super, super excited to do. So I'm gonna be in Thailand for another month. So I might not have as many vlogs right now in Thailand, but I'm gonna have a lot more coming out from July to August. Who knows how long I'm gonna be out here. I absolutely love Thailand. I love the people, I love the beauty. I love Bangkok, which is pretty surprising. And yeah, Thailand is an amazing place if you haven't traveled to it yet. So I wanted to announce those 2 announcements. Tomorrow we head back to Bangkok. It's been an amazing, amazing stay. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hit that like button, comment down below if you guys have any questions or if you just want to say hello, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlogs coming out. We're gonna be island hopping in about a week, week and a half, all around Thailand. I'm super stoked to island hop. I know you guys know how much I love the beaches, love the ocean. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And I hope you guys enjoy the next vlogs coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for being a part of the community. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.